I don't need to fit in a box that is prescribed by society. My expression doesn't have to be limited to one gender.
I see the word beauty more as a way of relating to other people. It's how people interact with me, how they perceive me.
For me, what beauty means is being able to define yourself on your own terms.
My name is Cyrus, and I'm a trans man.
I'm Eli, and I'm a trans woman.
My name is Aarynn. I am a trans person.
I think everyone faces some kind of a beauty struggle. What are those for you?
Being on testosterone has completely changed the texture of my skin. It's become more oily and more rough. I started breaking out and having blemishes that I never had, and I've had to rediscover how to take care of my skin.
So oily or combination skin always creates a shine. We're gonna use SuperStay powder to create a matte finish.
The physical appearance is obviously a huge part of being transgender and medically transitioning. Now, about 2 years on testosterone, I finally feel like when I look in the mirror, I see myself. I never thought I would get to this point. I didn't think it was possible. I would say my relationship status with makeup right now is tri-curious. I'm really curious to learn more about techniques and different ways to explore and make some bold expressions.
When I started experimenting more and branching out a little more with foundation, it was a matter of like finding my complexion. And the complexion is something I still struggle with to this day, you know. It's kind of tricky. I think I have a trickier skin tone.
All right, girl, it's time to lay some foundation. So Maybelline's SuperStay 24 Hour is gonna match one color, one application, all day and all night.
There's a power that comes with self-making and being able to craft your best image to yourself for the world. My relationship with makeup, it's a lot like all my lovers. You know, it's a full dynamic relationship we have. It's my only ongoing relationship, actually.
When I first started estrogen and testosterone blockers, I didn't realize that they would dry out my skin and make it a lot harder to find the right foundation. I still struggle sometimes with highlighting and contouring, which are still really new concepts to me. Makeup makes me feel confident. I like to wear it because it makes me feel fierce and comfortable in my own skin. As a gender non-conforming trans woman, beauty as a term has evolved for me over time.
Are you ready to see your look?
Oh my God, it's gorgeous.
Amazing. I love it.
I love it. My skin looks flawless.
Some days I just want to make people, you know, eat it.